Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I walk you through how to enable Apple Pay in your Stripe account so you can offer your customers a fast, secure, and convenient payment option. Let's get started. First, head over to Stripe's official website at stripe.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard. From there, look for the Settings option, usually shown as a gear icon. Click on it, then navigate to the Product Settings section, where you manage your payment methods and other Stripe features. Under Product Settings, select Payments. This page displays all the payment methods supported by Stripe. Scroll through the list until you find Apple Pay, then simply click the button next to it to turn it on. Once Apple Pay is enabled, your Stripe account will be ready to accept Apple Pay payments, giving your customers a smooth and secure checkout experience. And that's it. Enabling Apple Pay and Stripe is quick and easy. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.